gotta still go to Rainbows and get you a shot of your rose perfume. Remember you wanted that perfume? That was in the shape of a rose.
Did you see any chairs in the hall? Oh, we good, Mom. We can fit up on.
No, we're good. I just wanted to look this up.
Yeah, we could sit up on the thing if need be. Don't worry about it. Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
I could walk inside. It's nice. Much bigger than the other. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. Lisa has on a cat and a hat.
I said first.
Isn't it? I love this cat and hat. It's comfortable. Yeah, she's so cute. I don't know how Shanti knows.
Huh?
I said, I don't know how you know.
About Duchess?
Yeah.
Is there a picture of you?
Oh,
Thank
you.
I was like, we need to get her a nice, perfect little warm teddy bear or something. And he seen it, he was like, look at that one. I was like, oh my god.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh, a squishmallow.
And a blanket.
Nice.
Yes, Papa.
Look at some water. Oh no, is it ginger ale he has? She said, "Ooh, it's pink." Yeah, like I have. The soda that we bought. Is it the soda? She loves it. And I do too. A nice soft pillow, huh? Yes.
That will help you relax your back.
Oh, yeah. I just want to squeeze it like cheeks. Right? Just keep squeezing it, right? Thank you, Miss B. How did you know? Nice soft blanket too. Right? Oh, look at the colors, Mom.
Beautiful. He's saying when he drinks his water, he's going to get
Looks like Jiminy the Cricket. I wonder.
Picture.
Yeah. Very cute. Thank you, B.
If it's hot, guys, you can turn the fan on to cool off because I know they get a little warm.
This side, for some reason, I also use the emergency side. Well, it's warm over here, right? It was cold over there. But it is hot over here. I woke up, all my blankets were soaking wet. Oh, you was hot? Johnny was. I had to take it off, yeah. So when you take